That's incredible, sir. I can't tell you how excited I am.
And you should be. There are two keys to success in this business. The first one is you gotta be relaxed. Do you jerk off?
Do I jerk off? Yeah, I jerk off. Yeah.
How many times a week?
3-4 times a week.
No. You gotta pump those numbers up. Those are rookie numbers at this ratchet. I myself, I probably jerk off twice a day.
Wow.
Mm-hmm. And I want to, but I don't do it because I want to. I do it because I need to. Think about it. You're dealing with numbers all day, high decibels and frequencies and bang, bang, beep, 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 fucking decibels. It's real acidic, above the shoulder mustard shit. It can kind of wig some people out, but you gotta feed the geese if you're gonna keep the blood flowing. You gotta keep the rhythm up down there below the belt. This is not a tip, this is a prescription. Trust me. If you don't, you will fall out of balance, split the differential, and tip the fuck over. Or worse, and I've seen this happen, implode.
No, I don't want to implode, sir.
No, you don't.
I'm in it for the long run, you know?
Yeah, implosions are ugly.
Right.
So pop off to the bathroom, work one off whenever you can. You'll get good at it. You'll be fucking shrugging it and thinking about money. And the second most important, crucial key in this racket, this little baby right here, this little ratchet, it's called cocaine.
Right.
Keep you sharp between the ears. Keep your fingers dialing faster. Which is good for me. Revolutions.
Revolutions.
You gotta keep the clients on a Ferris wheel. Keep the park open 24/7. Yes, please. 24/7, 365. Every decade, every goddamn century. And that's it. That's the name of the game. Here, take an olive.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. 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 Oh. Keep it going. CEO of the money comes in, going down Broadway. It's a one-way street. Whichever way I go.